My name is Sajid Farooq. I'm originally from Pakistan, and I've been teaching here at Champlain College as a professor of game programming for the last 3 years or so. And I also advise at the EMC on projects related to games or simulation. The impactful project that I've been working with recently was a training tool, in fact, for the clinicians for a company called VisibleEP. And it was for a couple of cardiologists who want to teach students in cardiology about how the heart works. We are working with real clients who have real needs, real problems, and when we are solving them, we do have to go out and look at what the current technologies are and how we can utilize them to the best effect to solve the problem at hand in a professional manner. I think the EMC is a great opportunity for students to learn, and I really wish that something like the EMC had existed at the previous places where I taught, because there is always, as I say, that chicken and egg problem of students not having enough work experience when they graduate, but they cannot have that until they graduate and work somewhere. And I think the EMC solves that really well. In addition, it brings in a lot of contacts to the college. It enables us as faculty members to reach out and meet a lot of people and know what the latest industry stuff is going on, but also allow our students to meet a lot of the industry. So creating a nice pathway and building bridges.